The virtues of this Kelly kettle are in wet weather. You've got a fire base. It takes less fuel, so you don't have to find a bunch of dry sticks to build a fire in wet weather necessarily. If you're trying to boil water, you can do it very quickly with this Kelly kettle system. It's basically just a chimney, like a rocket stove, with a base that you build the fire in. Water goes up the chimney, and it's double walls, so you have water on the outside wall, about a half a liter-ish with this trekker size. And it takes about 3 minutes, maybe a little bit more, to boil that water. And then you have the ability to also cook with this as well. Leave a little fat in there. Oh yeah. Off the front of this dude. At the inside of that haunch, there we go. Nice. Get us a couple pieces of beaver meat grilled up. You go with it, we'll be good to go. Let that sear good for a minute. We got the flames high. The flames are gonna die down fast though. We don't have a whole lot going on there. All right, so getting pretty close here on our beaver. Hot, hot. Down to coals again here. A little more water added to our potato soup to thicken it up. And we got a cup of coffee ready here. In pretty good shape. Ready to have ourselves a nice trail snack. You know, on a muddy, rainy day like this, it's kind of where this Kelly kettle shines, in my opinion. I think I said that at the beginning of the video, but being able to cook some food and warm yourself up on a cold, rainy day, there's definitely a big bonus in that. And beaver meat. Oh man, holy cow. I know somebody's gonna ask me what beaver tastes like. Just tastes like red meat. That's what it tastes like. Not much different than steak or anything else. It's red meat. Being able to warm yourself up, get a good meal in you in wet weather, especially if you're out on a trap line, if you're out scouting or trekking, or you're camping for that matter. But being able to do that in wet weather with this Kelly kettle, being kind of an all-in-one system, allows you to build your fire in a metal container that keeps everything off the ground. You don't need anything but a few dry sticks, things that you can collect, dead standing, things like that. And you're ready to rock and roll. You can make yourself a quick lunch. Everything's self-contained. You can buy the pieces and parts of this thing separate. You can buy the kettle by itself. You can buy the hobo stove by itself, the grill, all these things, or you can buy them in combined kits. I think we have a stainless steel trekker kit we're gonna have on our website. And we also have some of the individual components as well. But I would say that the size of this thing, this trekker, is only about 10 inches when everything's put together. But it all nests into one bag, which means you can just set it in one side of your backpack and you have your complete meal system and cook system all in one. And I think that is where this really shines as well, because you can heat or boil water very rapidly. You can cook an assortment of different foods, from grilling to pot cooking to obviously just boiling water to make just add water meals. But being able to use that boiled water to add to a just add water mixture and then put it over a fire on the hobo stove, thicken things up, thin things out, and do what you need to do and make sure that it's good and thoroughly cooked, it's a bonus. I'm going to be doing some different bio stoves and looking at some different bio type stove systems, but this Kelly kettle is one that I selected a while ago to begin carrying on our website. And the reason I did that, I've used one of these quite a few times on the trail to boil water and things like that, make coffee, things like that when I was out on the trap line. And I think that this whole system is really well thought out and put together, and that's why I chose it for our website. Man, that beaver meat's good. Golly. Potato would be good too.